my house tour in Pakistan. So we actually have another one, but I'm gonna show you guys the Dehra one, the one that we just built first, and then probably the other one. But this one is brand new, everything brand new in the village, in the Qasba. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go on. So this is the entrance, the long doors, very long. And then we have nice curtains on the side. And then when we walk to the left, we have this hallway that leads to the storage room. So this storage room is pretty small, but it's really nice. And it's like colorful roofs, brown curtains, blue. It's like a theme, you know, it's nice. And yeah, there's not that much stuff here because we just moved in. And yeah, this is the walkway to another room. Like this goes to the chut, this goes to the dining room, this goes to the living room. It's all over the place. So we're gonna go to the roof later, and we have nice sitting areas, you know. And then we have our dining room on this side, and nice. This like whole room is full of blue, like royal blue, and yeah. So when we walk this way, so guys, now I'm gonna take you guys to our living room. You guys are like, oh my god. So let's get into the living room. So this living room has our two kitchens, has our living, like sitting area, the TV area that we still need to get a TV for, and our crazy chandelier because it has Bluetooth in it. We can play songs. And what a nice view we have. That's the Pakistan lights. We have a nice view. The sun is out, the pool's right there. So yeah. And this side, we have our kitchen, our favorite place sometimes. But this is our kitchen, and it's all clean. But we have another kitchen that we mostly cook in there, and this kitchen is like always clean. So yeah, we have our fruit, and this is our second kitchen that I'm going to show you guys. And right now we are making chai, and this is Seema. This is Seema, and we have our, say hi. Hi. Across the kitchen, like I said, we have our living room with our long sofas for like a million people. And then we have our dining table that might not fit. We don't know. We might take it to the other house. Because we really don't need it. But next to the sofas, we have Ammi and Abu's room. Over here, next to the living room, we have the first bedroom. And this is Ammi and Abu's room. It is all blue and green. And guys, this is all matching bed sets. Like the dresser, the sides, the bed. The chairs are not matching, but they go together. And it's all green, blue, and it's so nice. And every bathroom, there's a bathroom in every room. I don't know, I got mixed up. But there's a bathroom here. And yeah, so it's huge. And inside the bathroom, we have our closets. That makes sense. Because, you know, that's where we change. Now, yeah, we got this room out of the way. Now we walk here, back to the walking area, and we have our dining room. This long table, guys. I actually never seen this table, a table this long. And in the middle, we have our chandelier that still needs to be put up in the beginning. And we have our china cabinet that we just put up, and all the matching sets. Guys, like, you need to see these sets. They're really, really nice. And it looks so heavy. Like, it's so nice. But it all worked out, and it looks so nice. And these sofas, you guys, not sofas, you guys need to admire these chairs. Like, everything's perfect. I love it. So, guys, the entrance, as you guys saw, we come this way now. It's so many parts of itself. But on this side, we have the single bathroom for anyone to use. And then we have a hallway to walk to. This room I'll show you guys. Later on. But right now we have another sitting area. We have a lot of those. And when we walk this way, we have another sitting area. We have a lot of sitting areas, but this sitting area, we still need to unwrap all the paper, but it's all yellow, black. It's like theme brown. And yeah, it's cute. It's nice. And the view, it's a nice view. And we have this long hallway that leads to my room. Long entrance to the best room ever, which is mine. And this door goes to the outside. I'll show you guys later. But we have these long doors. And you know, my room has to be pink. And yeah, so everything has matching sets, matching like dresser, and it's all, the curtains have the same color as the walls, kind of. And yeah, it has a lot of space, so you can put like more like more people can sleep here, you know. And over here we have my bathroom with the closet. Yeah, my bathroom with the closet. There's my lights on. And yeah, it's pretty big. It's actually really big in those closets. A lot of stuff you could put. And yeah, so we gotta take you guys to the outside. So guys, like I said, from my room we have this door that goes to the outside, and let's show you guys. Right now, thank God it's daytime, so you guys can see everything. And guys, look at this. Look at our ginormous pool. It's crazy. Like there's no water yet, but there will be soon. And you guys can see like the whole house from the outside. It's so nice. And yeah, like I feel like I was tall, but no. There's like a walkway around the whole pool, and it's so nice. And the grass is like so like green. It just makes everything so nice. And look at that. Look at that. So this is like our backyard. We have multiple like sides of the house to walk through, and there's one side like that, and there's one side that goes there, and now.